Hello, you are welcome to my free educational session, and I would like to welcome you and also taking the time to learn something new. And like I always say, online financial market trading can change your life, but if only you approach it the right way, like you are doing, where you have access my educational material. Before I continue or I delve more into it, I would like to introduce myself. I'm a Suman Da Costa, okay, an award-winning and globally recognized financial markets analyst and educator. Now, when I say award-winning, let me show you that I was awarded, as you can see here, I was awarded the best financial market analyst Africa 2024 and the best financial market educator Africa 2024 by International Business Magazine. Okay, so if I say I'm globally recognized award-winning financial market analyst and educator, this is the proof. Also, I have published 2 books on Amazon, okay, which are selling. The first one is Forex Traders Blueprints, navigates the world of currency markets, okay, and then the other book too is Web3 or emerging technologies, okay, where I was talking about blockchain, NFTs, digital ownership, okay. I've also trained over 3,000 financial market traders, and you have a lot of them online, a lot of them doing their own thing. And lastly, I have I also have over 10 years experience in the financial market trading space. So I think I have few things that I can share with you that maybe based on my experience. I've also worked with brokers as an employee, so I understand what goes on in the brokerage. I've also worked with prop firms as an employee, so I know what happens at the back end. So I would like you to relax, and then I take you through everything that you need to know in order for you to become a successful trader. Now, let me share this also with you. So, this I have these sessions. They are, the beginner one. I have a video that I'm going to share with you, okay, a video, or maybe this video, okay. I prepared this video for you, but this is the timetable, okay, or the schedule. These first ones, the videos, I have 3 videos that I'll be sharing with you, which will cater for all of these: how to start trading, how to become a successful trader, trading plan, and all of these. So you are good with that. With these, the intermediates and that of the advanced, training sessions, I do that for institutional traders, um, live account traders. Okay, so if you want to partake or take part in the advanced sessions, is a one-on-one sessions that you need to request, and then I will just add you to it. But the requirements is you don't pay any money. All that you need to do is to have a live funded account, okay, which you can reach out to me based on my contacts on your screen, and then I'll take you through that, how to get a live account, and then how to join this session. But these videos that I'm sharing with you, or what I'm sharing with you now, is free. Free as in, you can choose to have an account or not, but it's free. Okay. So yes, once again, you are welcome. Now, let me take you through what trading is about and everything about trading that you need to know. Now, the platform that I will be using to educate you is the brokerage. Okay. Yes, the broker that I'll be using to train you or take you through this session is called Ingot Brokers. Okay. Now, why am I choosing Ingot Brokers than why do I prefer Ingot Brokers compared to any other broker? Ingot Brokers has been in existence since 2006. Okay. Um, it's not easy to be in a business like this for a very long time. They are also regulated, globally recognized institution where they have 5 regulations. Okay. And the nice thing about it too is that they are regional partners of La Liga. You know, La Liga produce players like Messi, Ronaldo, Ronaldinho, and currently we also have Mbappe. So it should tell you the level of credibility with this broker. Okay. So let's delve into it. Before we even delve into anything, we need to understand the risk warning. I'm going to read it and explain that to you. Trading CFDs and investing in global financial markets, including Forex, financial derivatives, involves high level of risk. Now, let me explain that. When we say CFDs, okay, CFDs is just a short form, or CFD is a short form of contract for difference. Contract for difference, what happens is that you, the trader, is trading based on the price difference. You are trading based on the price difference and not owning the asset itself. So, for instance, if you are doing CFD, you can choose to trade Euro, USD, or let's say you can choose to trade cocoa or gold. Okay. Now, the gold that you are trading based on the price difference. But you cannot touch the gold online or you cannot feel it. But if, let's say, gold is at the price of, let's say, $1,000 per ounce, and then you speculated that it is going to buy or it's going to go up and it goes to 1,005, you have made profit. But in this case, you are not touching the gold or you are not feeling it, but you are only trading based on the price difference of the gold. That's what we call CFD. So CFDs are just trading based on the price difference without touching or owning the underlying asset itself. Now, trading also, like any other thing, is speculative. Okay, so when we say speculation, is you trying to predict the outcome of an event. So practical example is that maybe you slept yesterday, but you told somebody you are going to wake up today. Did you really know you're going to wake up or not? If only you knew you were going to wake up, then maybe you are God. Okay, but since we all don't know that, we all speculated, or you speculated the outcome that you are going to wake up the next day. Now, when it comes to any form of speculation, it could either go your way or it can go against you. If it goes your way, in trading we call that profit. If it goes against you, we call that risk. Okay. Now, if you understand it from this point of view, then what that simply means is that if you place a trade, the outcome is two. Is either it goes your way or it goes against you. Now, if it goes against you, which is the risk, how much are you ready to lose if this very trade goes against me? And if it's going your way, how much are you ready to take if it goes your way, which is the profit? It's always advised that you ensure that your profits are more than your losses. And I'll share with you how to analyze the market and, get those bits right. Okay. Now, let's understand something before we move on. Your trader, your main job is to buy or sell. If you buy, what that simply means that you are believing that whatever you buy will appreciate in value. And if you sell, what you believe is that whatever you are selling will depreciate in value. So if you buy and it goes up, you have made profits. But if you buy and it doesn't go up and it goes down, you have made a loss. Simple as that. So, but I'll share with you how to analyze the market so that you don't make some of these petty mistakes. So this is what the risk warning is all about. Now let's look at the licenses and regulations. Ingot Brokers has 5 strong licenses globally. Ingot Group, Seychelles, okay, so Financial Services Authority. We also have Capital Markets Authority in Kenya. We also have Australian Security and Investments Commission. We also have Jordan Securities Commission. Then we also have in Dubai, or the UAE, the Securities and Commodities Authority. Okay, so that is what makes ingot brokers stand tall amongst all of its peers. Okay, so yes, so that is it about regulation, the risk warning, and the disclaimer is that whatever we are doing, I'm sharing with you in this session is for educational purposes, not investment advice. Okay, so you need to be mindful of that as well. Now let's delve into it. Introduction. We are going to talk about, or the things that we'll be talking about is trading overview, how to start trading, how to become a master trader, ingot brokers trading tools, ingot brokers partnership program. So in the trading industry, you can make money by being a trader or being a partner. I mean, doing the business part of it, which I'm going to share with you how to do all of that and the resources that Ingot Brokers has for you if you decide to join them or you decide to partner with them. Okay. Okay. So now let's look at this trading overview. Now, let's understand what trading is about and all of that. First of all, what is a financial market? Okay, first of all, what is a financial market? Before we even delve more into it, let's understand what a market is. Now, a market is any place or a platform where buyers and sellers trade things of interest. So now, if at this point I decide to sell my microphone to you, and you are ready to also buy, once we have a buyer and a seller, we can call this place a marketplace. I hope you get it. It's as simple as that. But there are different marketplaces. So if there's a microphone marketplace, we have a laptop marketplace, we have shoes marketplace, and all of that. But what we are going to focus on is the financial marketplace. Now we know what a market is, but what is a financial market? A financial market is a place or a platform where the buyers and sellers trade financial products. Let me put it that way. Okay. So what are some of the products? Maybe, like you said, maybe gold, currencies, and all of that. Okay. But it all happens in the financial markets. Now, there are different types of financial markets, which you need to understand. So now imagine it this way. The financial market is a big place. Now, when you enter the financial market, we have different types of financial markets, like the Forex market, where the buyers and sellers trade in only currencies. We have crypto markets, where the buyers and sellers trade in only cryptocurrencies or digital assets. We have stocks markets, where the traders or the traders trade in shares of companies. We have bonds markets, ETFs market, and a lot more commodities markets where traders trade in natural resources. Okay, so a buyer and a seller, what they basically do is that buyers now buy when they believe that whatever they are buying has high chances of appreciating in value. That is to go up. So if it goes up, then they are making money. But unfortunately, if it doesn't go up, then they are going to be losing some money, which is very, very important to understand this. And I'll share that with you in the analysis. Now, we also have, we've spoken about the buyers and we've spoken about the sellers. So we now have a fair idea of what you will be doing as a trader. Now, we are going to use Forex market. Remember, we have different types of markets. We're going to use Forex market because of its characteristics so that you get to understand the market very well. Okay. Now, in the Forex markets, traders trade only currencies. And it's the market that has or is the most liquid financial market. When I say liquid financial market, what that simply means is that they are ready buyers and sellers. A lot of things happening in the Forex market as compared to maybe the stocks market or maybe crypto markets, which all have their characteristics. But then when you get to understand the principles of buying and selling or trading, you are going to be good. Okay. Um, so that's the one, one characteristics of the Forex market. Now, what is Forex trading? Remember, trading happens or trading activity happens when buyers and sellers trade or exchange value or things of interest. So if I am a buyer and you are a seller, you want to sell your laptop to me and I'm ready to buy from you, there has been a trading activity. But remember, we said Forex, in the Forex market, traders trade in only currencies. So then what that simply means is that if I am ready to buy a currency from you and you are ready to also sell a currency to me, then we can confidently say that we are trading Forex. And Forex is a short form of foreign exchange. Okay. Now, why do people trade Forex? People trade Forex when, two main reasons: for profit purposes. Profit purposes in the sense that maybe currently, maybe a value or maybe dollar is going for, Ghana. A dollar is going for 10 Ghana cedis. Now, if the dollar, I believe that the dollar is going to go to 15 cedis, I will buy the dollar, keep the dollar, and wait. When it gets to 15 cedis, I sell it off. What that simply means is that then I have made 5 cedis profit. Others also trade Forex for profit business purposes. Because, for instance, let's say if I want to buy a car from America, I can't send my Ghana cedis to America to buy a car. All that I have to do is I have to change my cedis for some dollars, and then I can now go to America and use the dollars to buy a car from there. So two main reasons why people, there could be a lot of reasons, but two main reasons why people trade Forex: for profit for purposes, for business purposes. Now, why you should learn how to trade Forex? Two main reasons. Financial freedom. Now, when I say financial freedom, what I am simply saying is that you have the freedom to do things that you genuinely love and not because of the money. Let me tell you my story. I am a chemical engineer by profession, so I was working in a brewery. I always had to be in the brewery because I did not have any other source of income. But I liked it, but I wasn't too passionate with it. My passion is about talking to you like this, teaching people and all of that. But because I needed the money, I had to go there every day. Maybe your passion is fashion, music, soccer, philanthropic activities. But you need money, so you need to be going to work. When you learn Forex and you learn it very well, you can trade on your own and then have time for things that you are passionate about. The other thing too is exposes you to global opportunities. Like wherever you are now, I'm able to reach out to you. Reach out to you. I've had opportunities to work with financial institutions globally, train people globally, a lot of opportunities. So that is why I sometimes suggest that people also take the opportunity to learn about financial market trading. So this is just the overview, okay, of what trading is all about. Now we are going to dig a bit deeper and share a lot of more details with you. Now, in the next slide is how to start trading. How do you start trading? I'm going to take you through a very simple process. So this organogram here shows how you can start trading. Now, here at the extreme left is the financial market trader. That is you. You want to start trading. First thing you need is you need to have a broker or an intermediary that can connect you to the market so that you can start trading. And the betweener that is going to connect you to the market is what we call the broker. It's very, very important. So you as a trader, this is the broker, is connecting you to the market. Now, one very good thing that you need to pay attention to is the broker. People talk about risk in trading and all of that, but the risk, I think a major risk is the broker that you choose. Is it regulated? Very, very important. Brokers that are regulated are not going to scam you. The activities are very professional, and they've checked that if they've been in existence for a very long time. And that's what I shared with you, that Ingot Brokers has 5 regulations globally. Other thing too is that it's been in existence since 2006. It also has is a regional partner for La Liga, which tells you how credible they are. La Liga is a league in Spanish league, which has we have teams like Barcelona, Real Madrid, and all of that, and players like Messi, Ronaldo. Name all the big players have passed through that league. So it tells you how credible they are. So financial markets trader, you choose Ingot Broker, then it will connect you to the markets. So a step by step, I'm going to share with you how all of these are done. Now, this is the other thing. Now, you want to trade. The broker has millions of clients, so it cannot be calling you, reaching out to you. This is the price, or these are the prices in the market. So what it does is that it communicates to you, the trader, through what we call trading platforms. And the trading platforms, we have MT4, MT5, Copy Trader, and then their web trader, mobile app, and all. But the most popular ones that people use is the MT5, which I'm also going to share with you. But this is the flow. If you want to trade, sign up with a broker. The broker will connect you to the market. And how does it do that? It now talks to you, whatever is happening in the market through these trading platforms, to you. But before you choose the broker, ensure the broker has been in existence at least, I would now say, over 15 years. Or it's been in existence for a very long time. It has a lot of regulations, not just 1 and 2. At least 5 is good. That's why I recommend Ingot Brokers. And has some level of credibility, like Ingot Brokers sponsoring La Liga and all of that. So now let me take you through, because you are new, let me take you through how you can register or create an account. Now remember, before you can join my advanced classes, like I said, you need not to pay any money. All that you need to do is reach out to me first, request for a link using the number on your screen. A link, then I will share that link with you. And then from that link, you can create an account. And when you create that account, I can now give you access to my advanced classes where we talk about, you get more detailed documents, tutorial videos. I also have one-on-one session with you. If you have any problem or any question, you ask me. Okay. So yes, I'm going to take you through the generic account creation, blah, 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 and all of that. However, you also need to ensure that you register, or when you're about registering, you need to contact me to show you how to register with Ingot Brokers. Okay, so now let me take you through the whole process. When you contact me, I'm going to give you so remember, you want to create an account. You as a trader, you want to create an account with a broker. Okay, so you contact me, I'll give you a link, and from the link, you will have this page pop up. You type in your email address, you type in the country you're coming from, citizen, then your phone number, password, and then you create the account. Very simple. Very, very simple. Now, after you have created your account or received a link from me to create your account, remember, this is what we are doing. You as a trader, you are creating an account, okay? Then you set up the account for this trading platform. You have now, after you are done with that, you are going to receive an email. And this is how the email looks like. After you have created the account, it says, Dear Da Costa, thank you for blah, 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 blah. So you can now, so now this is very important. It says that if you have questions, please do not hesitate to contact our helpful customer support via this. So if you have any challenge, you click on this, you send an email or anything to them, and they are going to respond to you, with some swiftness. But you have created your account on Ingot Brokers, and there's the client portal. So there's my account. I'm going to click on that and log into my account. So I click on that. So I just type in my email address, my password, and then okay. Then I log into my account. Oh, say my password wrong. So let me. Okay. Okay. So now this is what happens. Let me save it. This is what now happens. Okay. So I now have my account set up. It's very, very simple. Now, let's go back to the document. You created your account with a broker. I mean, this is the first account that you have created with a broker. Now, you want the broker to now communicate to you the prices in the market. And how are they going to do that? You need to create, now you've created just a portal with the broker. You need to now create a trading account. Okay. And this is what we are going to do. That's why we have the MT4, MT5 and all. So I'm now coming to come back here. How do I create the accounts? I scroll down like this. Then you will see create accounts. Click here. You select open demo account. Demo account is for practice. Okay, you are just going to explore the platform, see how it works and all of that. So, and then live account is an account type that, I mean, enables you to put in your own money and start trading. Okay. Now, before you continue, if you want to deposit money into your account and start trading, if you're already an experienced trader, you just click on deposit and then you deposit. There are different deposit methods that you can deposit. If there's no deposit method, or let's say you want a method that you can't find there, you go back to your email and then you write to the customer support that, see, I want to deposit money this amount, but I'm not seeing that option in my account. What do I do? And they will guide you. Okay, now let's create a demo account. Click on this and then this page pops up. What platform do you want to trade in? When you come back to the document, see we have trading platform, we have MT4, MT5 and all. So you go back to your account, you select platform, say MT5. What account type? There are two different types of account. We have standard account and Evo account. Choose standard account. Balance. How much do you want to start? Remember, demo account is for practice. Select balance, let's say $5,000. Leverage. How much do you want to take as leverage? Now remember, leverage is what helps you to trade in the market, or like trade bigger portions in the market. Let's choose, let's say 1:500 or whatever, but the highest is 1:5,000. The least is 1:100. Leverage simply means is that if you have $1 in your account and you choose a leverage of 1:100, if you deposit $1 and you choose a leverage of 1:100 and you are trading, the market is going to see you as somebody with $100. If you have $1, you deposit one CD in your account and you choose leverage of 1:5,000, the market is going to see you as somebody with $5,000 in the market. The side to it is that if you know what you are doing and you are making money, you make more money. But if you are losing too, you lose more money. So that is the difference. So ensure that you can choose maybe a bigger leverage or smaller depending on your trading ability. So let's choose 1:5,000 for me. Password, you can now choose any password that you want for your MT4, MT5 or MT5 account to be created, or a demo account. Then you can subscribe, then click on open account. Now, after clicking on open account, you receive an email like this, which states that, Dear Da Costa, you have successfully opened a demo account, blah, 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 and all of this. So now that I have my account created, I can now still come back to my my portal like this, and then come back to accounts like this. So you can see there's a demo account. This is the trading account, which I haven't created yet, but this is the demo account, sorry. Now we have demo MT5 standard. Now you want to start, you want to start trading, okay? The MT5, how do you download it? You move the mouse here and then you click on this, then you select download platform like this. Now, which device are you using? Are you using a phone, iPhone, web? I am using Windows. Okay, so I'm going to tap on Windows like this to download it. So you can see that it's downloading here. You go to your downloads here and you click on it to install. Go yes. Select next to get it installed. Now, one thing that you need to know is this is a PC version that I'm sharing with you. There are mobile phone versions, how to download the MT4 on the mobile phone, how to log in, and all of that. Still, don't hesitate to reach out to me on how to do all of that. But then, by using the contact on your screen. Okay, sorry. Okay, so now I have my MT5. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is my MT5 now. So, okay, this is my MT5. Remember, I have detailed videos on how to use them, setup, blah blah blah, and all of that too. There, you can just say hi to me on WhatsApp, share with me if you are using a phone that you want to know how to do it on a phone, if you are using whatever. But this is for a PC version, but the principle is the same. Okay, so now that I have downloaded my platform, I want to log in to my platform using the credentials that I received. Okay, so I go back to my email. This is it. We have login, password, and all of that. So I come back here, I select file, move top there, select file, then I come down, I select login to trading account. Now, the first thing you need to pay attention to is go back to your account, look out for the server. Okay, so you click on this, you copy the server, you come here, you put in the server. Oh, sorry. So yes. So you put in the server. Okay, so that is the server. Then the next thing is the account type. I select this, copy. I put that in the account. Then the password. Which password did I use when I was creating the account? This WeBed at 2017. Like this, copy. And I put it there. WeBed at 17. Then click on OK.
Incoming mail.
Good. So now that I typed in that, or I put that in, I have my account fully set up, which you can see here. Okay. Now, I'm going to take my time to explain these numbers to you. When you create an account and you see balance here, balance is, let's say, how much you deposited into your account. That's what we call balance. How much, let's say you deposit $1,000, $100, or whatever. That's what you're going to see as balance. Then we have equity. Equity is your balance plus or minus the floating profit or floating loss. Okay, so my floating loss is negative 400, which I'm expecting the price to reverse. Okay, so that's not even a problem at all. But you realize that my equity is 45 something. Okay, because that is still floating. I haven't closed that as a loss or a profit yet. We have margin. Margin is how much the broker sets aside in order for you to execute your trades. Okay, and then we have free margin. So aside what the broker sets aside, how much is now left? Then we have margin level, which is, let's say, the life or the health of your account. If your margin level is dropping, it tells you that you might blow your account very soon. So the most important thing is you ensure margin level is always in spec. Now, I treat this session to more in-depth in the advanced class, which is still free to join. The only thing you need to do is reach out to me using a contact on the screen, and then get access to the session, where I'll give you a link to register for free, and then you join the session for free as well, where we delve more detailed how to place your trade, analyze the market, and all of that. Okay, so now that we have set up our account, we are good to go and we are good to trade. Okay, So it comes back. It comes back to this. You're a trader. You have created an account with a broker. You have logged into your trading platform. Could be on a phone, on a PC. We did what is on a PC. You can reach out to me. I'll share with you the ones on phone as well. Okay. So then from there, then you are good to go, good to trade. Okay. I think this is good when it comes to this, okay? But like I said, the advanced course, we go there, we delve more into that, which you can join for free as well. The next slide says that how do you become a master trader or profitable trader? Let me put it out, because at the end of the day, everybody wants to be profitable. But what I mean is a master trader. There are three main topics that you need to understand: trading analysis, trading risk management, and trading psychology. Trading analysis, trading risk management, trading psychology. But what is trading analysis about? Trading analysis refers to, the data that you get access to. You interpret the data to help you to make informed decisions. That's what the analysis is about. Okay. And when it comes to trading analysis, we have technical analysis, fundamental analysis, sentimental analysis, which we do all of this in the advanced, like I said, in the advanced session, which is very, very easy to understand and to implement. And when you get it right, that's all. You're good to go. That's what trading analysis is about. Risk management has got to do with the measures you put in place in order to mitigate the risk that comes with a trade. So remember when I was starting, I said that you can lose some money. You can lose, definitely you lose some trades, which is normal because it's like any other activity. But the thing is, you did not lose all your money. That is the important thing. You lose some trades, but you don't lose all your money. And that's where risk management comes in. Then we have trading psychology. Trading psychology has got to do with the emotional and the mental aspects that comes or sets in whenever you find yourself in the market as a trader, which we deal with that too in depth in the advanced class. Like I said, you can reach out to me, then we keep going from there. Now, but for you to be successful, these topics, you need to understand them. Okay. And when you join us, you're going to get that free and understand them better too. Now, one thing about Ingot Brokers that I like is that if you're a new trader, there's a tool to support you. If you're a pro trader, there's a tool to support you. Okay. So we are going to go through all the tools and how you can use them. Now, let me start with copy trading. Copy trading is in two folds. If you, as a trader, don't know, or you are new to trading, you don't know how to trade, okay, but you need someone to maybe guide you in trading, or you still want to make some passive income, what you do is that you can use Ingot Brokers Copy Trading, where they have a lot of traders on the platform. You can subscribe to traders based on their performance and then copy their trades. So maybe you are new like this, you want to make some money whilst you are learning, or you are busy, you don't have the time, you want to make some money whilst you are going about your activities. You can choose the copy trading system where you find traders who are doing well, you copy their trades. If you also know how to trade, you can set up an account so that people can copy trade from you and then they pay you for that. That's another way of making some money. Then I'll take you to some practical processes. We have a moment, let me close this. Then we have Man Pro System. Man Pro System is for fund managers and people managing multiple accounts. So let's say you have a lot of people who want you to manage for them. They can put all their monies in their own accounts. Then you will request, first you have to send an email to the support team that you are requesting for a PAM here, that you're requesting for a MAM Pro system, and they will give you access to that with all the guidance. Then you start from there. So let me take you to practically what the copy trading is about. So you already have your account like this. You scroll down, you see accounts, fund management, blah, blah, blah. Then you see copy trading. Okay. So you click on copy trading like this. Now, with the copy trading, like I said, there are a lot of traders there that you can copy their trades. Okay. So let's say you look at this guy's performance. Said negative 32, return weak is not good. Return. So you look out for, somebody who is really performing. Weekly, monthly, blah, blah, blah. You choose any of them. Okay. And then take your time. Okay. Go through or choose any of them, and then you are good to go. Or if you know someone who also has a copy trading account, the person gives you his or her account and asks you to join a copy his or her trades right away. But these are the traders you can find here. Then you come here, you see become a follower. Okay, become a follower. How do you then become a follower? A follower is somebody, or you are going to copy others' trade, and a provider is if you people are going to copy your trade. So let's see how you can become a follower. Click on become a follower, and this page will pop up. Okay, so which trading account of yours, real trading account that you are going to use to copy others' trade? You click here. Mine is this account because I have that account set up already. If I come here and I come to this, and then I come to a moment, my trading, I come here and I come to my trading accounts. You see, if I come trading accounts like this, a moment, I have this as my trading account, 5300111559. So here you can see 5300111559. That's my trading account. Then a provider, who do I want to copy trades from? So I go back, I come to copy trading. Let's say I choose any of them there, or if I know somebody who has sent me the name, I can just search it there. But let's say I want to choose this guy. So I copy Bazu Trade, go here, then I come here, and then I type that in, paste Bazu. So you see the name pops up, and I select it. These are his terms and conditions. Okay, he said performance fee 35%, blah, blah. If you are cool with it, you just register and you are good to go. Okay, so whatever that person trades or the trades he shares, you are going to also, copy the trades as well. Okay, so you need not to be a pro trader, but you just copying from those who are good on the platform. Okay, based on what you saw. The mom, like I said, you from fund manager, so you send a message to the support team here, customer support, for them to give you access to the MAM accounts. Then we have technical analysis. Now, when it comes to technical analysis, maybe you are still learning. You are not done with your technical analysis bit, so you want signals, like they always say. Ingot Brokers has inbuilt signal system that can help you assess them. Let me show you the first one. So the first one, you click here. Here. You scroll down, you select resources. Okay. Click on resources like this. Resources. And then resources, you see trading signals. And when you come down, is it Forex, is it commodities, anything? So let's say Forex. You see channel down, you scroll down, you see maybe it's in a downtrend, and it's saying that entry level, this price. Stop level, this price. Target level, this price. And all the details there. So these are signals that you can use. Get into your account, go to resources, and then you are good to go. Okay, get some signals from there. That is the first one. The other one too is on the trading platform, which is the MT5. You can also access signals. How do you do that? Down here, if you're using a PC, down here, you scroll down, you come to news like this, and then you see all of these pop-ups. Now I said, let's choose GBP/JPY, this one. Then you click on it like this. Then you maximize it. When you maximize, good. So this is it. This is the news or the signal that came up. Okay, GBP/JPY. So it says the configuration is positive. 192.68 is the pivot point. Our preference is that if you want to buy, or the signal provision or the provider wants to buy, it would like to buy at this price as a support. But in case it wants to sell, it will also sell here, and these would be the take profits. And then we have all of these details here as well. Let me choose another one. So these signals can also help you. Remember, I showed you the first one, and this is the second one. Okay, very good setups or signals that can help you to, I mean, pick up some trades whilst you are still learning. Okay, we can choose another one like this. A moment, let's see. MP 500, you see all the details that you need. So there are a lot of signals that pop up every day. You just have to visit the platform and then access those signals. Okay. I've shown you too how to access them. There's a phone version too. So if you are using a mobile phone and this is an Android, if you are using an Android and you want to access the signals from your phone on the MT5, this is the first one. Here, you move the top side page, you click on quotes. Then you come here, you click on news. Then you come here, you click on the type of signal that you would like to choose, and like the one that I shared with you. If you're also using an iPhone, the same process, you scroll down, you click on this settings, then the left you click on news, and then you see all these signals. Okay, and but like I said, you can also access these signals from your platform, your dashboard. You go here, scroll down, you click on resources, and then you are good to go. Okay. The other one too is fundamental analysis. So with that one, what you do is that you go to, the brokerage website, Ingot Brokers, and then top here, resources. Okay, then you scroll down, you come to economic calendar. Economic calendar, you will see the news that is coming up. That's going to affect the markets. So a moment, it's loading. Okay, news that will be affecting the markets. So you just have to be ahead of time, know what is going to come up, and then how you are also going to handle them. Okay, so these are news that are also going to come up. There are a lot of them, so you can just pick up the dates that you want, and then you are good to go. Okay. Education. So we come back to your dashboard. You have resources, you have webinars, you have platform tutorials. Okay, or if there's a specific education type that you want that you are not getting, you can just go to the customer support and then you write to them that you want education, you want to learn more, and they will support you with all the education that you need in order for you to become a successful trader. Okay, all right. Then the last slide is Ingot's Brokers Partnership. How do you become a partner? I told you that all that I shared with you is you becoming a trader, like all of that, which is good. But to become a partner is also another story. And the partner, what you do is that you will refer people to a platform like Ingot Brokers to trade with them. Now, when the people trade, Ingot Broker pays you a commission. Okay, so which there's a commission structure that Ingot Brokers can assist you with, or if you need to go to the customer support, they will assist you with all the money or the commission that you are likely to get if somebody starts trading when the person uses your account. If you have bigger clientele or maybe a lot of referrals, the company can give you funds to grow your brand, because when you grow, they also grow. If let's say you don't know how to teach, how do I even put it? You don't know how to you don't know how to maybe educate people, blah blah blah, but you know people. You can refer them, and then the company will give you all the educational resources that you need. They will coach the people for you, blah blah blah, and then you are good to go. You also get trading signals like I shared with you for your referrals, copy trading, man pro system, and resources that you need. Okay, so you request, them provide for you. Okay, so yes, you can become a trader, you can become a partner. In all of these, you can still make money from the market. Okay, so yes, once again, thank you very much for joining me. I think I've shared with you the things that you need, the basics. Remember, I said for you to become a successful trader, you need to understand these three topics: trading analysis, risk management, trading psychology. We do that in the advanced class. Okay, so in the advanced class, it's still a free class. All that you need to do, like I said, reach out to me using the contact on your screen and then ask for how to join. First, you need to register using a link that I'll share with you. When you register with a link, I'll now connect you to the class, share with you all the necessary things that you need to know. Before we go, let's take our time to now explore Ingot Brokers platform a bit and enjoy what they have there. So, I mean, yes, because they have different jurisdictions, regulation. When you click here, you see all of that. This is a sleek website, resources. You have all of these things here, essentials, copy trading, blah, blah, blah. Everything is here. Resources, education, glossary, all of that. I mean, there are lots that they are offering. Sponsorships. And the good thing, this one, Secure Start by Ingots Zero, is that they're going to roll out a free $100, like a bonus. Okay, so if you start your first trade and in case you lose even, let's say, $100, Ingot is going to take care of that. Okay, let's say you scroll down, markets catalog, very beautiful website. This, okay, the profit is yours, no charges for anything. The Ingot app, Ingot's innovative platform. I mean, all of these, I mean, thousands instruments that you can trade. Secure Start's the one that I told you, $100 free. And this is my favorite part. Okay, it's very, very important to know this, that they have this level of credibility. When you scroll down, you have any questions you can ask, blah, blah, blah. This is all the regulations. Like I said, 5 regulations. Okay. Thank you very much. Join me or say hi to me on WhatsApp using the contact on the screen. Bye bye.